What is up there, everyone? We're here with Chris and AC Penaloza, whose name I don't really know because I always forget with his confusing username. So these guys are actually here from the Discord channel we have, if you haven't seen it yet. We have like this pretty cool little Discord channel. Poor NATO wants to know if he can join. I don't know if we want him in there. So yeah, if you guys want to join, send me a message. You can join the Discord channel in the link, I believe, if there's a link in this video. If not, you can message me on Facebook or email me. I don't know if I'll get emails right now, but and I'll let you in. I just need to moderate this a little bit more because last time, I don't know if you saw it, Chris, but we had like 8 people join and 2 people like wound up hacking the room, and like we got all kicked off like 3 hours into the stream.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was pretty terrible.
Terrible.
So yeah, we're just hanging out. I don't really have any like big plans for this. Gonna just kind of just do a screen share and show you what I'm working on. So let's open up YouTube as well and check this out. So Chris, you said that you found the Facebook group and everything through a YouTube video that I did, or?
Yeah. I forget which YouTube video I found first, but I took a previous course from a different person about digital marketing, and somehow I found your SEO YouTube channel, and I just pretty much learned everything about SEO from your channel.
Nice. What are you working on?
I actually haven't worked on SEO recently, but what I just finished right now is like a YouTube course on like how to start your YouTube channel and all these different kind of tips. So I'm on my way to doing that.
Nice. What are you gonna start your YouTube channel, like you said, around like tips sort of things?
Oh, like tips on how to create your YouTube channel and like
nice.
Things and stuff like that. But something I want to do is like something like infotainment. I'm not sure what exactly.
Yeah.
I'm pretty interested in like self-development and careers and digital marketing.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I feel like these niches like SEO and online marketing are like very related to like self-development and like motivation and whatnot.
Yeah, I agree.
Because like a lot of the people who are doing this stuff also like have usually a lot of drive, and like, you know, they are really interested in like becoming like, well, you're also competing with the world, so I think that might also have something to do with it, which means you need a lot of motivation. So I just discovered this thing, which is pretty cool. So I actually just got, you might be familiar with Ninja Outreach, or maybe not, but there's this tool called Ninja Outreach, which is sort of like this other tool you use called Pitchbox. And what it does is it lets you automate your outreach to people. So you can just like go in and I have to find my account. I don't know if they activated it yet, but basically you can just crawl prospects all over the internet around keywords, around links and stuff. And you can actually like automatically outreach to these people with this tool. It's pretty cool, but either way, they gave it to me for free, I believe. I don't know if they gave it to me yet, because I get a lot of tools for free since I have this YouTube channel, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But the reason why I was telling you that, which I can't remember, or was it? I was doing something. Shoot. Can't remember why I was telling you that. There was a really good reason I was telling you that. Oh, yeah. So when I was on there was a blog, and I remember I think I opted into like something on their blog. Let's see if I can find it. Ninja Outreach. And we'll go to the blog. So if we go to the blog and say we click on, let's not enter our email address, let's just go over here. Click on one of these. It's pretty slow. So it hasn't done it yet. Here we go. I think it's this. So if I click on that, no, it's not that one. I don't remember how it happened, but I remember somehow opting into this thing, and it wasn't through email. And what it was is it was this thing, Push Crew. And what this does is whenever they put a new blog post on their site, it'll actually show up as like a Chrome notification, even if you don't even have Chrome open. Like if you're just on your desktop right here, like just your desktop screen, it'll show up with a notification to your top right, and you can click on it and it'll take you to their blog.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to try to set it up right now and see if we can get it to work on our own site. Let's just make sure we're not missing out on the chat. Hold on. Where did we go? See, this is a problem with not having 2 computer screens is now I can't see the chat while I'm working. Actually, I think I might be able to do it. Let's see if we go over here. And, oh no, I've completely lost it. Oh, God. Okay, let me see if I can just restore it over here. Oh no, is it all gone? I think all the comments are gone now. Wait, oh, there they are. Sweet. Pop out chat. I'll just bring it over here and then see if I can do it like this. Okay. Ah, there we go. No. Somebody wants to know if they can change the title of archive page in WordPress. I believe so. I don't know which archive you're using, though. I mean, are you talking about data archives or what? Shane says, what's up? What's up? Drifter says, what's up? Hey, Chase, have you heard of Craft CMS? Nope. Shane says, I'm not showing my screen. Wait, can you see my screen, Chris?
No.
What? This whole time?
It's showing your face.
Oh, my God. Why didn't anybody say anything? I was doing a screen share this whole time. Well, that's embarrassing. Okay. Well, now we're sharing the screen. Was maybe hopefully the thing I was talking about was somewhat visual and you could sort of imagine it possibly?
Yeah, I was following along on my computer.
Oh, you were?
Yeah. I wasn't paying attention to the camera.
Okay. Well, either way, if you guys missed it, it's right here, Ninja Outreach. I mean, whatever. You guys get the point. So anyways, we're going to try to sign up for it here. And we're just going to go over here. Let's just start entering all of our information. What is your average monthly traffic? Let's check. By the way, if you want to join Chris and I on the Hangout, let me know. But just know there's no yelling involved or allowed. It's a joke. I always tell the guy who works for me, I always tell him to stop yelling, and he's never yelling. All right. Trying to figure out where the heck my site went. This is the other problem with having like multiple Google accounts is I have like so many different analytic properties in here.
Yeah, it's hard to keep track.
And some of them aren't even named properly. Like I need to get rid of this. I don't know why I was trying to track Tumblr traffic. All right, let's go in here. Lots of bad experiments. All right, let's go into my date range, which I guess I can't see unless this is. Oh, I have to go to, okay, so acquisition, all traffic, source media. This was just more for my own curiosity, not for Ninja Outreach. So I guess we'll just do September. Whoops, I just want September and compare that just because we want to see. All right, so looks like 3,600. So I don't think we're anywhere close to 50,000 on this site. Oh, it's over here. Okay, put the website. I don't know why they need all this information. Subdomain, okay. Create free account. I'm a little worried if I create this account, it's going to show the password afterwards. But like your password was, that actually happened one time on a live stream.
No way.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell? What kind of security is this? Do I want to publish this and then hopefully it doesn't do that? I don't think it will. I'm gonna chance it.
Okay.
Go.
Do it.
Something went wrong. They're being so specific with what went wrong too. Oh wait, this form is expired. Oh my gosh. All right, whatever. Refresh. Let's just fill it all out again. Oh my God, we're getting a lot of questions. Can you help monitor like the questions, because I can't.
Sure.
I can't. All right. Boom, boom. If you guys want to join, what you need to do is go on Facebook and send me a message on Facebook Messenger, so I can make sure you're legit. Because last time this stream got hacked. chaserenner.com. All right, here we go. Yes, it worked. Alexander says maybe using Yoast. What's up, SEO man? It's a good idea to set up separate pages for different colors of products for e-commerce, such as blue socks, red socks, etc. Yeah, or you can create filters and add the tags at the end, but either way, you want to do canonicals usually in that case to the main socks, unless they're really different with unique content. Jay says, hi Chase, do you have any experience working with Drupal? Nope, I definitely don't. How complex of a CMS is it, and is it SEO friendly? I've only looked at like the actual CMS when somebody showed me their site, and I was like, I'm never working with this. Drifter says, hey Chase, do you use PBNs? No. Vitali says, Drifter, the question will set off rant hands. Drifter says, if yes, would you recommend anyone since PBN sellers are not trustworthy? No, I would not recommend anybody, except maybe Matt Diggity, even though I don't do PBNs, but I know he knows a lot about them. Did Chris leave me? Is he still here?
There.
Okay. Himanshu wants to join. Alexander says, hey, Chase, how long does it take you to rank a new local PPL website? Well, I don't really do PPL, but in the local SEO course right now, we're trying to rank this site, which we're already, I think, number 5 for. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, so we just started the series, I think, like a week or two ago, and it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's still sandboxed, of course. We can't do anything about that. But yeah. So I mean, the fastest I've ever been able to rank a site, I think, like number 1 was the iPhone repair company, which is one in my 2016 tutorial, and I wound up ranking this in 2 months. Oh gosh, I didn't expect so many people. Wait, I don't even know how many people are in here. Right? Oh, 17. Holy cow. Alexander says, oh wait, I just said that. R. Davis says tests. Victoria says, hi everybody. Okay. Hot jar looks sweet. Chase, what are some of the first things one should focus on SEO related when working on a new website? Depends on if it's local, national, product based. I would say content would probably be the first thing, and getting the basics set up, like conversion tracking and whatever else you want to get set up, like rank tracking, and then going into like sort of content strategy and value ladder creation, which is what we talk about in the Triforcing course. Ricky Rock says, what's up? What's up, man? Nice, thanks. Chase, any estimate on how much did it cost you ranking iPhone repair keyword in your previous course? Well, I mean, for the domain, the hosting, Squarespace, and the call tracking, all that stuff, I mean, maybe like, and the content, probably like under a couple hundred. So relatively cheap. What's the difference between mobile friendly and mobile optimized? I would say that those are probably very similar. Mobile friendly just means that the site's usually responsive, and mobile optimized usually, I think, means like that it's optimized for mobile in terms of SEO, meaning like you would probably want to be optimizing for like voice search and stuff like that at the same time. Okay, let's continue setting this up. Chris, do you have any input, man? Do you have anything that you would like to talk about?
SEO related, nothing much, because I pretty much forgot everything. It's been a while, and I don't know. I just so happened to get into the actual Discord chat as soon as you like typed in, "Hey, let's hop on chat." And I was like, "Hey, why not?"
Nice. Did you just join or something?
Yeah, I just joined,
No
and
way.
like immediately a notification popped up and said that like, hey,
It's so funny. Oh gosh, I can't remember my passwords. Okay, we got it. Yeah, so actually, if you guys want the Hangout link, you can join the Discord, and I'll just get you an invite right now if you guys want to join. Let me just grab that. Where would you like to go today? What is that? Oh, no, that's not what I want. How do I... Here it is. No, I don't want that. There we go. There it is, and then the link to here is in the Discord chat. All right, so we're gonna take, I just downloaded the plugin for the push crew thing. And I'm gonna go to WordPress, go to plugins, add new. Ricky Rock says we can talk to you via voice and Discord. Yes, but you technically can't right now because I'm in a channel that nobody can get into, but you can join the link in the Discord and talk to us on Hangouts. All right, upload plugin. And we're gonna drag this into here, install. So I'm gonna ask you guys in a second if you can test this, because it'd be really cool if we could check it out and see if it worked. Activate plugin. Where'd it go? Oh. All right, and let's see if I can find it now. That's the thing I don't like about plugins for WordPress. They just, for some reason, we like, oh, well, we're gonna put some of them in the sidebar, some of them in settings, some of them in tools.
yeah, I don't know. I don't understand how that works and how they decide which plugin's gonna stay in that and which goes into the long list of stuff. I don't I don't understand.
It would just be nice if they could like somehow like give you like a warning, like this is gonna go on your sidebar, this is gonna go in your settings before you install it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I need my, what is it? This permission boss. Code enables. Wait, I don't even need this plugin. I'm just going to add it to my header. Hold on. We're being silly. We don't need to bog our site down with more plugins. Hold on. Let's just get rid of this. Push crew. Michael says, hey, Chase, what are your thoughts on content behind read more buttons? Well, apparently they work fine now because Google will index the content because they used to not, because they didn't want people using that and stuffing content in them. I mean, I would say, oh my God, I almost deactivated all my plugins. I would say that that if it helps with user experience, then that would be great. But if it's just for the purpose of getting a bunch of content in a page and it doesn't really make sense, then I would say you probably wouldn't want to do that. It's so funny. Every time I give SEO advice, Chris, I'm literally just speaking out of like, would this make sense or not, like from a common sense standpoint, Yeah. Because like that's what Google's looking for, and then like everything else beyond that is just like, of course, like what can you do with the code and whatnot to like help optimize the page, but most of it's like around how can we like improve the user experience and how can we make sure that people are finding this page based off the intent they have to find this. Which all you have to do to figure that stuff out is just to think about, okay, if I was that person, what would I do?
Yeah. And I think you do it so much that it just comes naturally to you. So
well, that too, yeah, I guess. I don't know where that plugin is that we just deactivated, but either way, I'm just going to go into add new. I feel like people are about to join, and I'm a little worried about who they are because I have no idea. All right, appearance, editor. Is anybody? I've been hearing things in Discord. Let's see. Ari Jane. Oh, that was Chris.
yeah.
Well, where the heck are they? Oh, AC Penaloza's in here. How long has he been in here?
Like just got here.
Oh, welcome back, good sir.
He's muted though.
Is he?
Yeah.
Well, he can unmute himself, I believe. All right, let's go back to the header. Oh, I know why we can't. Oh my God, we got to go back to the plugin. Genesis won't give me the ability to stuff this in here. I've made a mistake. Unless, no, I'm not going to be able to use a different plugin. Wait, actually, there's this thing called OH scripts, which I think I could use. I just have to figure out where the heck it is. Social website, EPS, there it is. This is a really cool tool you can use on WordPress that will let you take code and just dynamically put it into single headers or all headers, which is really nice because WordPress doesn't let you do that. Like, doesn't let you choose like, oh, I just want it on this page. They like make it, you put it in all of them from your theme files. But either way.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I found this tool one day when I was like really frustrated. I was like, I just want schema markup on this one page in the header, and I can't figure out how to put this in the header. And so if you do this in the page now, it'll have this, and you can just choose, oh, only on the home page I want local business markup, or only on the home page I want, whatever.
Oh, and that was a plugin?
Yeah, it's called OH scripts. It's really sick.
Okay.
Okay, so we got that going. Now, all we have to figure out is, wait, send push notification. Let's see if that works.
Finally, I can hear people.
Hey!
Okay, what's up?
What's good, man? Hey, man, I need you to remind me of your real name again because I keep getting it confused with AC.
It's Alex.
Alex. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. So I don't know if you've been following this, Alex, but we're trying to get this plugin working, Push Crew. Let's see if I visit the site if it'll work. Nothing so far. I think we have to. Oh,
That might be on the server. Do you think it might need?
The website. No, check it out. The website Chaser Under SEO would like to send you push notifications.
Hey.
All right. So if you guys could go to chaserunner.com, press yes to that. I'm gonna put a blog post out, and I want to see if it notifies you guys. I'll give you guys a minute or so to do that. Oh, we got some questions. Let's see. Chase, or hi Chase, what is your favorite SEO plugin for WordPress? Well, I mean, depends on what we're doing, right? For SEO, probably just Yoast. For other things like social, I use Simomeet. I actually have a post where I went through all the tools I use, top 29 SEO tools. If you want to read it, it also has a YouTube video with it. Yeah, I'll just link you the YouTube video. Oh, wait, that's going to give us the... I need to put together a post for all my posts that people should go through. Hey, Chase, what are your thoughts? Oh, wait. Himanshu says, have you used all-in-one SEO plugin? Yeah, but I hate it because one of the reasons they don't let you do canonicals unless they're self-pointing, which doesn't make sense. The Basic says, hey, Chase, is there any need of building backlinks for frequently updated site? I have a site which I just started, and I'm having 4 to 5 daily unique technology posts with length of 1,000 keywords plus. Is there any need of building backlinks for frequently up? So, well, I mean, I don't know what the site having be frequently updated has to do with building backlinks. I mean, either way, you should probably try to get links. I mean, not necessarily through direct outreach, but I mean, I do certain things like doing the expert roundups or do a lot of authority building to build links, but those are more natural like link building tactics in a way. So, I mean, I guess to answer your question, either way, yeah, I would try to build links, but I don't know what the blog being frequently updated has to do with anything. Drifter says, I joined because I saw your Webby with Diggity. Nice. Michael says, gotcha. A few hotels we do SEO for are getting new websites, and the devs are pushing for content on the homepage to be put behind a read more button. Oh, nice. Do you know where to put hreflang? Is it in the editor header.php? I don't really mess with hreflang, so I wouldn't be the guy to ask. But if you want to ask the SEO community that we're in, there's a lot of people who do use hreflang. That's just something I haven't really done yet. It's one of the small categories in SEO that I just have not done. Oh no, it's gone completely dark in here. There we go. R. Davis says, can you put name of header script in chat? Yeah, here it's OH scripts. Hey Chase, what's up? What's up, SEO devs? All right, Alex and Chris, how you guys doing?
I'm doing great, man. Pretty good. How's Chris doing?
I'm doing pretty great. I'm actually helping someone with their PPC, like their Google AdWords stuff, and that's what I'm mainly about. Nice.
I also want to show you guys. Wait, so press 1 in the chat if you did the push notification, because I want to try to make.
I tried to do it, but it didn't. Do I have to have push installed?
No, it should. If you go to the site, it should. So let me know, you guys, if you go to chasearner.com, if it has a pop-up that asks for push notifications. Right now,
yeah, I'm on it right now, and it's here we go. Now it's on. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it too.
You got it? Okay. So if we go to summary, we got one person so far. I think that was just me. What is this? Your subscribers are currently attached to common FCM API key of PushCrew, though you can continue to sending notifications to be able to export. Okay, so, whoa, so you can export people too, but you don't have their email, so I don't know how you would unless it gives you their email. That would be weird. I don't think that's possible. Oh, okay, so what you can do, dude, so you can send any notification you want. I don't think it has to be linked to the blog. I don't know. Let's see. I just want to see if there's if we can get 2 people in here and then we can test it.
I did it.
Yeah,
we got 3 now. All right, so that's probably you 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I guess we'll just do send push notification. We're gonna say check out the new YouTube video, because I want to see if we can send like YouTube video notifications even if it's not on the website. Top 10 ways to do X, Y, and Z. And then we're going to try to do a YouTube link instead of the actual website link. We'll just do the stream just to see. Landing page URL, push notification, boom. You can change the image, which is pretty cool. Let's change it to, just change it to this. Show image big notification. Oh, show big image and notification. Enable buttons. So that's pro. All subscribers, it looks like you can segment them out. Auto hide notification after 20 seconds. Don't attempt hiding this notification. So it'll stay there for 28 hours until somebody presses cancel. And you can schedule it out too. So let's press send. Oh, you can do it for Firefox. Oh, this is what it'll look like. Check out the new YouTube video. Okay.
That looks cool.
So press send. And tell me if this pops up. Oh my God, I did it.
Yeah, it popped up right away.
Oh, look at that. So if we click on it, goes straight to YouTube. Dude, that's so sick, man. Okay, so.
Yep, this is a link.
That is awesome, dude. So anybody who goes to your site, you can send them anywhere afterwards. And it's like an actual notification versus like an email that people might not click on.
Oh, that's really powerful.
That's super powerful, dude. And that's just an extra way to get traffic. And most people would probably click yeah to get notifications. So that is sick. One of the other things that Ninja Outreach does that I want to figure out how they did this is if we go here and we go to blog. If we get out of this tab, watch what happens. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on, let me get rid of some of these. You ready? Hold on. Okay. If we get out of this tab, it switches from the title to "Hey, come back."
Oh, okay.
How the heck did they do that?
Another thing too, I just found out is how they changed the color of the top of the Chrome browser.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just found the code for that.
Wait, I don't see it different though. I don't see the color different.
No, when you're on an Android phone,
Oh.
it might be on other phones, but you're on the Chrome browser. It'll the top of the where the address is and all that changes colors.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Well, I want to know how they did this "Hey, come back" thing. Let's see. "Hey, come back." Come back title tag change. Here we go. I don't know if Siri just screwed up my audio or not. Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sometimes it screws up my audio. So it looks like it says, this is the script. It's really simple to do, but adds a nice bit of functionality. So I guess we just add this to our headers.
Where does it say on the header?
Let's see. All you have to do is rewrite your title tag to show a new message when your website is not. All you need to do is insert the following code to your site. It doesn't say where. Well, I'll just try it out on the titles and see if it does it.
Okay.
I don't know if this screws up any sort of SEO or something. Like I don't think it would. But like, would it be weird if Google like crawls this page and they go to a different page and they're still like crawling another page or something? I don't know how their crawler works, but I don't know if the title tag. I don't think so. All right, let's go to settings, header, footer. And let's go into here and add that. There it is. Go over there. Nope. 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 Maybe it has to be in the body.
I think it has to be in the body where you want it. Like you could put like in Divi, you could put a module and then you put code in there. No, that's just a JavaScript. I don't know.
Well, let's try putting it in the homepage body and see if it does it. Somebody said put it in the footer. Okay.
You have to erase it from the head?
Yeah, I just erased it.
Oh, okay.
Somebody said increase screen size. Is this not large enough? I tried minimizing the chat. So it's still not doing it. Let's see if we clear the cache, if it'll fix it. No, I think it has to be in the body. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Let me go save. And we'll just go to the home page and edit that. Oh, wait, I can't do it for the home page because the home page is a blog or a post.
A blog post, yeah.
So I'll just do this one. So I'm having a meetup on Wednesday, and last meetup I did, there was like 10 people, and I scheduled it like 2 days in advance. And I'm surprised that there was so many people who showed up locally. But I was thinking I could also do the meetup like you know, have like a camera where people could join live, you know, and be part of it on Wednesday. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah, that'll be pretty neat.
Yeah.
You'll definitely have a camera and do it live. As much content as you can put up, I think, the better.
Yeah, but I was just thinking like it'd be cool to like, you know, notify like the Facebook group, make like a meetup or virtual meetup event, and then they could, you know, other people could join too.
That would be pretty cool.
Him on Shoes says, your screen take black space and border. Please increase size. I don't know what that means though. Can you guys see that it's all right?
It's fine to me.
No, I mean, yeah, I can see the. Let me look in your video. It might look different.
Okay, this code's not working on the body either.
Where is the website that you looked that up on?
I'll post a link. Hold on, let me just delete this. SEO Dev says edit, transform, and OBS. We're using Google Hangouts, so we're not using. Let's see if I can.
Oh, because I don't know if they're saying that it's because since it's a Hangout, you know, it shows it in a smaller screen.
Oh wait, let me see this. Hold on. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it is a smaller screen. Well, that's annoying. I mean, I can't really do anything about that. Oh, actually, I think maybe if I make myself the presenter, it'll get. It'll fix that. Let me go back over here. Present to everyone. See if that fixes it. Okay, and then the website's called. Here, I'll just link it in the chat. We got some comments. Ricky Rock says, well, they are a pretty big company. How long have you've been trying to outrank them? Oh, wait. D for Duvall's trying to outrank Yellow Pages. That's probably going to be pretty difficult.
Yeah, the screen got bigger.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I just forgot to press present to everyone. I apologize about that. Insomniac Resistance says your screen size from the mini cam you're using is set wrong, Chase. Well, it should be fixed now. SEO Dev says, did you delete the cache? And I did. R. Davis says, Chase, you said Messenger, you, and Facebook. I am part of the group. Do I need to add you as a friend? Oh, let me see if I can get it. I don't see R. Davis in here. Oh, there it is. Let me grab the link.
I had my WAMP server the other day crash.
What's that?
Using my locally hosted server, like WAMP. I don't know if you use or MAMP. I don't know if you use that. Yeah, it's a you load it on your computer and you can like host your own websites locally.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you can do projects.
Nice. Do either of you guys want to present on anything? I kind of need to go get a cup of coffee. Actually, I don't need it, but I want it.
I don't know. I guess we could talk about AdWords. I could talk to Chris about AdWords.
Yeah.
Either of you guys can do a screen share if you want. All you have to do you have the option on the top left to do the screen share?
Yeah, I think so. I think we both do. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So all you have to do is just, whoops. You just have to press screen share, and then you guys can share like anything from AdWords or something. I'm going to be right back. I'm just going to go across the street really quick. It's literally right across from where I work, and I'm going to get a coffee.
Okay.
You guys want a muffin or anything?
Yeah, sure. I'll take that coffee.
All right. I'll bring him back. I'll be back in like 3 or 4 minutes.
All right.
Okay. You want to share your screen, Chris, or you want me to share it?
You can share your screen.
Okay.
How long have you been running AdWords?
I've been running AdWords since 2010, but I just I did it like on the side, like kind of novice, you know.
Oh, okay.
Since about last year.
Did you take any courses or anything?
No. I just just fell into it, you know. Practice.
Okay.
Just started campaigns for companies I worked for.
Oh, okay.
So I used to be a salesman, and I started doing that. But now I'm doing it for a client I have. Yeah, I guess I'll pull up. They look at the chat, see what they're saying.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull up my AdWords account. And
right.
I want to type in the chat real quick. Hold on, here we go. That's why.
If you could maximize your
Oh yeah.
the browser, that'd be dope.
Oh, let me turn it on. Shit. So this is my all-time.
Okay, all right. What's it been in the? Oh wait, never mind. You've had it paused for a little while, so.
What did I have paused? Oh yeah, I had it paused for like just a couple days here because my site crashed. So like
Oh yeah.
crashed for a little bit because I was playing with the certificates. Oh, the same thing is happening too.
Okay, so the website's working now.
Yeah, website's working now. These are the keywords right here.
All right.
So Boolean are bars.
Do you have a landing page for your website?
No, that's what. Well, I just have the homepage pretty much.
Okay.
I mean, and then I optimize that.
Okay, all right. That's decent.
Yeah. But I mean, you know, it's just you see the prices just keep going up. I mean, yeah, I'm trying to chill at around position two or three. I'm not trying to hit one all the time, you know, just because I can't afford it.
Let's see.
What are you doing?
Right, so a little bit about me. This summer, last summer, I actually got an internship to work at a agency to do search engine marketing, and
Okay.
I managed like multi-million-dollar accounts, and that was awesome, and I learned a whole ton. And I noticed that in your keywords that you're using the broad match.
Yeah, this is a broad match. Yeah, I need to change that up, right?
Yes, and an easy way to do that would by downloading the Google AdWords editor.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Yeah, and you can pretty sure you can. I forget the process of being able to. Oh, you have to export your keywords from the Google AdWords on the website.
Yeah.
You export it to
Well, I have to
Excel.
Okay.
And then you can I forget there's an Excel formula to change everything to what is it? There's a different match types. There's exact, and there's broad match modified, and then there's phrase match. There we go.
Phrase match.
I don't know if you can get the keyword. So if you go to your Google AdWords editor, and on the left where it says manage, there's campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and targeting. If you go down.
No, oh, right here.
Yeah, go to keywords and targeting.
Hold on. I'm in the wrong.
I'm
in the wrong account.
Let's see.
There we go. Why don't I have more than one account in my MCC.
Oh,
maybe
might
import
need to yeah, or no, add maybe.
Wait, screw this. I'll do this later. I don't want to do this on live stream. But yeah, I need to change. So wait, so I just need to change them to what? To
I'd say exact match, which is having the brackets on in between the keywords, and
Oh, okay.
also phrase match, which is the quotation marks at the front and the end of the keyword.
Where did my browser go? Oh, there we go. Have you ever heard of Craft CMS?
No, what is that?
Let me show you some craft websites, man. They look so sharp, and I heard they're like super fast, you know.
SEO devs asked how to join in the Hangouts.
Tell them there's a link in the Discord.
Yeah, if you go to the Discord, there's a Google Hangouts link. I tried posting the Discord address, but I don't think I'm allowed to. So, yeah, go to Chase Reiner's Discord, and there should be a Google Hangouts link. If anybody has PPC or Google AdWords, Bing Ads questions, I could answer them.
Oh, another thing is I'm trying to you good with WordPress?
Not as good as Chase.
Okay, but you know how to change because in my theme I'm noticing that I'm using a lot of H1s.
Okay.
So I wanted to change that. And so I guess I have to go in my themes and change them individually. What theme do you like using?
I actually haven't gone into actually building an actual website. And
what do you do? Content?
I actually just like use a free WordPress theme, which I don't recommend doing. It's better to put in the money and buy one.
I bought Divi, which is pretty good. I mean, it's I had like after hearing 3 people who do SEO use it, so okay. I just started using it myself, and
oh, I'm cam back.
Okay, let me unshare my screen then.
Well, I mean, not if you guys are in the middle of something.
No.
no, we just. I showed my campaign, my AdWords campaign, and he was telling I had everything in a broad match, so I need to change it. Yeah, so.
Well, broad match is great for collecting data because now you're gonna have a bunch of search terms. You ever look at those? Where the heck is my Google Hangout? I can't find it anywhere.
Let me stop sharing.
So yeah, I'll show you on mine. Let me go share, and present. Boom. Cool. Wasn't there somebody gonna join? I didn't see them. Oh well. All right. So let's.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much. I just, you know, I've been collecting data now, and I just started a remarketing campaign too. Well, I just started collecting I guess collecting the data or whatever. I haven't done the actual campaign yet. But.
Yeah. So what you do is if you go to AdWords, you have been running the ads though, right?
Yeah, I have been running it. Actually, I paused it a couple days ago because, but yeah, I have been running the ads since August.
Okay, yeah. So I mean, like, what you can do is, for instance, say like we'll just go to the iPhone repair campaign I used to do. Let's do that one. And if we go to, or so this was the computer repair. If we go to keywords in here, and then go to search terms, since you're using broad match, it'll show you all of the keywords that people are typing in around the broad match, and then you can add those in or do negative matching and whatnot, which is pretty dope. Or create content around those and try to get, you know, organic content to rank as well. That's what we're doing in the local course right now. But either way, I wanted to show you guys a different tool that I started using, which is pretty sick. Oh, we never figured out this thing, but I give up on that. I don't really care that much.
I found a tool that uses like heat maps for local SEO, so you can see like where, like on a map, you know, you're getting your analytics and stuff, like where you're.
How do you do that?
It's called Hotjar.
Oh, Hotjar, and it shows you on your website too, or I mean, I already know it shows it on your website, but it shows it on the map too, like on the Google search results.
Oh no, I don't know if it shows it. It shows it in the back end, you know, but
yeah. I've seen people.
I use that. Hotjar.
Whoa. Hold on, somebody has a really deep voice. I don't know. I don't remember hearing this before.
Yeah, this is Jason, by the way. Chris or Chase, you know me.
What's up, Jason?
Right, how's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Excellent. Just logged on, so.
Nice. Yeah, Hotjar is pretty cool. I know that there is another tool out there somewhere that I've seen people do screenshots of like heat maps on the search results. I don't know how they did that, but apparently there's a way to do it. But either way, I found this tool that is pretty sick. So last contest I held where I was giving away like my courses, I used this tool as a test, and it's called Gleam.io. And what it does is it lets you set up like a ticket sort of entry contest. And some of you guys might have entered this actually. And what you do is you just post your link after you create your contest, and you can have people enter the contest by doing certain things. Like for instance, following you on Facebook or subscribing to you on YouTube. And you'll see the last one I held, I got 200 people to submit an action, and I'll show you what they were. If I can get into this thing. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Oh God. Okay, well this is going to be a very long time apparently. Either way, I wound up getting like, I think it was like somewhere around like 50 to 100 tweets, and then like I got a bunch of new subscribers, and it was crazy. Like this thing works really well.
Dang.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So the other thing is that like you can do it for different things too. Like you can create questionnaires. So like if somebody answers a question for you, it'll count as a ticket to whatever your contest you're holding. If they like send a message or something, there's a bunch of stuff that you can set up, and I think it's like, what is it, $15 a month or something? I forget, but either way, I think it's pretty much worth it. So yeah, here, so you can see right here, like this person, Jenny, liked the Facebook page. Tweeted this on Twitter, and you can choose whatever you want them to say on Twitter. I'm entered into the Chase Center giveaway. Boom.
Are you showing something?
What?
Are you showing something? You're showing your screen, or?
Oh my God. Am I not showing my screen again?
No, you're not showing your screen.
God, why is it doing this? I keep pressing show screen and it reverts back. This is so annoying, dude.
Is this the first time you're using Google Hangout?
No, I swear I press share screen and then present to everyone, and then I'll get out of it, and it'll like go back to my face.
Oh,
okay.
So either way, you can see it here now.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
So you can see she did a +1 to the Facebook page. She tweeted this on Twitter, and you can enter whatever you want for what you want people to tweet. And then she subscribed, and then so she got like 3 tickets. And then what happens is at the end you can just pull the winners just by pressing poll, and it'll just pull all the winners. And then you have their contact info too, so you can just email them or whatever.
Does it have the terms and agreements and all the rules?
Yeah, you can create those too. So I'll show you how to make one. Let me just go into.
Because there's a lot of legal aspects to giving away prizes and stuff.
Yeah, I'll show you. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. It's giving me like almost Tourette's at this point, but maybe we should just do it at a different time. I don't know why this site's taking so long, but yeah, you can add terms and conditions.
Does it create the terms and conditions for you, or you have to create them yourself?
I think it'll give you example ones, but you can also create them yourself, which is pretty cool. Okay. Yeah. What else? Trying to think. I need to create a to-do list because I don't know about you guys, but I always forget what I'm doing when it comes to SEO because there's so much you can do.
That's what I'm saying, man. There's only so little time you have to do everything.
No, it's crazy. Well, and the crazy thing too is like I want to do so many things because I know I could do certain things, but it's just not feasible to do everything.
Do you have a good writer? Because I suck at writing.
Me too, man.
I would go to Writer's Access like this. Also, I talk about this in the local SEO course. What we've been doing is what we'll do is we'll take like a video. I'll show you. For instance, I got my camera out the other day and I started just filming like me answering things around different keywords. So you could just go to like, say you wanted to build a company in your city and you type in something like SEO in your city. We'll just say Santa Barbara, SEO, Santa Barbara. Go. I'm not a robot. And generate. And so what you could do is you could take these different LSI keywords and assuming it's not your competitor, like First Click or something, you could say marketing firms in Santa Barbara, and then you could add that to your keyword list. And at the end, you have like this whole list. And then what you do is you get in front of your camera. It could be an iPhone with a small tripod that you get for like $10 or however you want to do it. And just start saying, okay, the next keyword's marketing firms in Santa Barbara. What do we do as a marketing firm? All right. So as a marketing firm in Santa Barbara, this is what we do. And, you know, you could just list out if you wanted to on a script or you could wing it. And I did this for some other stuff. I don't know if you can share audio in here, but I could show you the videos. If you guys go to my recent videos, you'll be able to find them. But what I did is I did that for like the local site. And I just did this for like social media and for like conversion rate optimization, stuff like that. And I got all of this stuff done and edited within like, I think it was, what was it? An hour. And now I have all these videos, what I do is I just take these videos, I transcribe them into text. You can submit it to Fiverr. So let's see if they're done yet. And you just take that text with the video and put it into a page. And now you have a landing page with all the content you need. And you also have a YouTube video, which one will help you rank on YouTube, but at the same time also hopefully get you higher conversion, since when people hit your page, they see you're an actual person. I just can't figure out. Oh, here it is. Let's see how the transcriptions look. If I can find them. So this guy delivered the transcription, I believe. This was for the landing page creation. This is just me talking about it, like I said before. There it is. Hi, my name is Chase Renner. You're here because you're probably looking for a landing page for your website.
You're not presenting anymore.
Why does that happen?
I have no idea. I just saw it change.
Yeah, this is literally just changed right now.
This is so weird to me. Like, I don't understand.
It might be a performance issue too.
Like the...
Yeah, bandwidth, something like that.
Yeah, it's probably true.
Ooh, that's me. Ooh.
All right, so if you see here, let's go back to it. Because I edited it, you can see here that the content's actually pretty decent because I edited out all the ums and stuff. So all I have to do is just take this, put it into the page, maybe put some headers in there, and then some internal links going to like other things, like for instance, so that they're highly optimized. And then I could internally link that to like another page around SEO or something, you know. I could externally link to ClickFunnels here, which would add relevance and all that sort of good stuff. And this is, let's see how much content this is. This is like perfect for like a perfect amount of words for a landing page, at least locally. Word count.
How many words?
Boom. I'm gonna do it right now.
No, I mean, how many words is optimal? I mean, yeah.
320 words. So yeah, you want on local at least 300 words per page.
Oh yeah, okay.
So that's like the perfect amount, and literally, at this point, what we can do is just go back to the site, go into here. And right now the site's just a ClickFunnels landing page just to get the site. So in the local SEO course, I talk about this. Like when you first start a site, you're going to get sandboxed anyway. So you might as well just put like a landing page on there. And since there's going to be probably no design, then, what's the point, especially since you're still creating all the content. So what I did is I just put a landing page and just pointed some ads to it to start collecting data right off the bat. And then got the Google My Business verified as soon as possible. And then if we go into the site, now we can start building out the back end of it, or sorry, the other pages. And the cool thing about this too is, what was I gonna say? Cool thing about
you don't save your passwords?
No, because I have so many. I can't remember.
So do I, but I use Robo. What is it called? A Robo form, and it saves all my passwords.
I don't want to start using those because like when I first started using like what was it? Was it LastPass or something? Dashlane. I remember there was a couple of times where it started pulling up my passwords on my live streams. So ever since, I just don't do it. Okay, so what you do is go to Pages, add new, and oh, that's what I was going to say. The cool thing is that you can take these pages and start getting them indexed with the content, even though they're not actually showing up on the site in the internal link menus yet. So what we could do is we go to Pages, and we already have these built out because we looked at all of the related keywords. And what I can do is take that one, which was the landing pages, which I guess I actually added that one on the video. So I'll just do this, add new, landing page, optimization. What was it? I have it in my videos. Landing page creation. There we go. So we're just going to take the same keywords. I can like hear somebody's TV in the background. Oh, now I hear it again. What's that?
Hey, Malcolm, is that your TV?
I'm going to mute whoever's TV that is. Looks like it stopped. Oh, it's the feedback. It's me talking, but I think it's the feedback.
Oh, okay.
I think it stopped though. Malcolm says he's here. Oh wait, I have to stop this. I'm gonna mute Malcolm for a second and see if it fixes it. Testing, testing. Okay, yeah, it's gone. If you use headphones, Malcolm, it'll turn that off. Okay. So that being said, we got the title in there. So now what we do is we just take that video first and wait a second. Is this sharing? Or is it my face?
It went back to your, there you go. Now you're sharing.
What? Okay. I didn't even click anything. All right. So we're going to take this video like this. And the cool thing about WordPress is it'll automatically embed. So we'll just go there. Boom. And I think the title pulls into this. We're just using a default theme for this SEO course because I want it to be free. And then eventually we'll move into the paid theme, which we'll probably use Genesis. So we're going to take that, and then we just take the transcription like this. Boom, boom, copy it in there. And let's preview it, see what it looks like. The site hasn't been designed yet either. It's just like a blank site. So of course we're going to want to design that, but the content's there now. And then what we'll do is we'll just do it for the other pages as well. And then what we can do is we can just start the SEO. But the cool thing is, like I said, we can just take this here and we would just make this landing page creation. You only want your URLs to be like 3 words max if you can. And we're going to use that branding as well. We're branding our site as our main keywords, which you can do even though the site is called Authority Nuke, but YouTube or Google doesn't know the difference between your domain name and your branding. So we grab that, just put that there for now as a placeholder. And this is what you want to do to get out of the sandbox is you just start getting all these pages, start indexing them with just basic content on them, and then you can start optimizing them. Because that also said the quality signal is saying, hey, look, we're updating these pages. They're nice now. So we go that, boom, publish. And that's even being said that there's like nothing on here yet, but we want these pages as indexed as fast as possible. So the whole challenge behind this local SEO course is that I'm actually taking like a competitive keyword like SEO, which is, of course, other SEO agencies know SEO, so they're gonna be competing with that. And I was able to rank #1 for this before I got the job here, before I left like 6 or 7, actually it was like more about a year ago. But I got rid of that ranking, and now I'm going to try to do it again, but within like a month or two, whereas before it took me 4 months when I first started SEO. So we're just trying to do this as fast as possible.
Hey, for some reason I have the Hangout on YouTube on the other screen, and it has Malcolm's face on it.
What? Dude, I hate Hangouts. I feel like I'm never going to do Hangouts again. I'm just going to do OBS.
Yeah, I have no idea what you're seeing, but mine looks normal.
Okay.
I see somebody in there with a costume
Oh,
outfit.
no, it is on Malcolm's face because I forgot to unpress his face.
Is it the costume outfit? Is that Malcolm?
What is it, me?
Oh, my gosh. All right, so then all we do is just take this page. We just take this page and then we do a, what is it? Oh gosh. Oh yeah, Search Console. Here. And then we go to, I just want to see how this is doing really quick. So this is dropping because we're doing the stockpile SEO method, which is like a method that I sort of coined. So we switched everything to 2018. So if you look up like local SEO 2018 right now, it's like all me. And the reason why that happens is because you want to get your user signals early on so that you can hopefully stay at the top of the search results. And the best way to do that is to do like date-based events. So like, for instance, if you could do something around a later period, but then SEO it for it beforehand, so that when people look at it, when it comes to that time, you're the #1 person. So you get your click-through rates up really high and your user signals high before it gets oversaturated, and it's really hard to get those user metrics.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty sick, right?
That's sick. And you thought of that?
Yeah, if you look up stockpile SEO, you'll see that I have the video kind of explaining when I first created this, which was in 2016.
Oh wow, that's genius.
Thanks, man. All right, so if we go to, let's see, what was it? Where were we? We were on, oh yeah, Search Console. So let's go over there, and we have to index authority nukes new page. And the next thing we want to do to get out of the sandbox is we want to go and start sending social signals as well. So what the hell? Oh, it's because it gave me a preview page. There we go. Boom. Boom. We also need to switch this to SSL at some point, which I think you can do through. We're trying a new hosting, which is SiteGround, I think. Just call that. But what you can do is you can get like a buffer account, which I think for like 3 or 4 accounts you can get for free and just start automatically sending social signals. And I can show you how to streamline that. Let me just try to sign in with, oh, we're going to need a new account, so I'll just sign up. Actually, you know what? I'm going to sign in with Twitter and see if it gives me a different account than the one on Facebook. Probably won't. Nope, same one.
You need a new account.
Well, that way I don't get it mixed up with, because this is all of my Chase Reiner stuff, and we're branding this as like Authority Nuke.
Okay.
But I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to disable these for now, and then we'll just add the Authority Nuke profile. So we're going to have to build those out, which we can do really fast. And what we're going to want for our social signals locally, I would say at least a Facebook page, which of course we're going to need that for the citations. We're going to need a Twitter page, yeah, we can get Instagram later. I don't want to do that because we have to sign up through a phone. We could do Pinterest, doesn't really matter. We could do LinkedIn, doesn't really matter. We want, of course, Google Plus, but we already have that because you have to Google My Business, and Facebook, Twitter, Google My Business are a good start. So let's just build those out. So we'll do create page. And this is where we want to have the exact same name, address, phone number, which we should be listing in the footer, but because I haven't created this site yet, like beyond the landing page, we don't have that in there. So we just have to Google it. And this should be to like a T. You should not have, if it says ST instead of street, you want to make sure that it says that as well on your citations. And we'll just go ahead and do that. Oops. Same thing with the branding. Whoops. Grab the name. Where did I put it? I don't know where my private tab just went, but it is now apparently gone. There it is. And I branded it, even though the domain is authority nuke, I branded it as SEO Santa Barbara, like I said, because Google has really no way to recognize the difference unless they know what your LLC is. But that way you get those exact match keywords in there. And what ends up happening is you end up ranking number 5, like we are, within like the first day of verifying the address. So copy that. Page category. So I don't know what that would be. We can just copy it from Google. Internet marketing. Let's see if they have that on Facebook. And the way I find these categories is I just look at what everybody else is ranking for on Google based off like whatever keywords we're going for, and then I just copy that. And then let's take the address. So what I'm actually going to do right now, because it's, I think, pretty smart marketing, is I'm going to do a giveaway for this course, if you guys want it, by doing the Gleam thing. And then you guys can help me choose what I should do for the Gleam giveaway, like what should be involved. So we'll press new competition. This way you guys can see how to get it set up. And we'll just call it, we're not doing a MacBook Air. That's definitely not happening. I actually have an iPad mini, though. I do want to give it away at some point. And we'll just say the local.
Well, I tell you what you could do, Chase.
Yeah.
Is you can give one away in my leather bags.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
You can give away one of my leather bags.
You know what? We'll do that on when I do the review. I still haven't got them yet, but when we do that, I will do that, and we can have them.
You'll get them on Tuesday.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so for those of you guys who have no idea what we're talking about right now, Jason sent me some leather bags, and they are very, very nice leather bags, which I'm really excited about because I was actually just walking from my car to my house the other day, Jason, and I didn't have anything to hold my computer. So this is like perfect timing. And so, yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on those things. And what we'll do is we'll do a giveaway as well. And I'll set that up through Gleam, and we can kind of go over that, which we could actually build after this if we wanted to. But either way, you can see here, these are the terms and conditions we were talking about. You can see here it has like a default one, I think. Oh, actually, no, this is just some weird, I don't even know what this is. But I don't have any terms and conditions per se. That I don't, so I'm just gonna skip it. Save. I don't know why it's not. Oh, because we have to enter the other stuff. So setup's done. User details. So you can see allow users to like a Facebook page, and then for that we would just take our Facebook page. So let's just go grab that. Are we all on the same page right now? Do you guys have any questions or anything?
I'm good. And you said that's the program's called Gleam?
Yes, Gleam.io. Super, super valuable to pretty much anybody who's doing online stuff and has somewhat of a following or community. So let's go grab that page. We'll go Chase Reiner. Boom. It looks like R. Davis says, do I need to go to Discord page or join Hangouts? After creating your landing page, so R. Davis, all you have to do is go to Discord and join the link in the Discord. And if you guys aren't in Discord or you haven't heard about this yet, we created a Discord room, which is pretty cool, which you can just go in here and start chatting with people. But yeah, the Discord link is, I'll just send it again if you guys didn't get it. But this is where I just hang out now when I'm not live. And so if you guys just want to go in there and start talking to me in the public room, you could just join it and just start talking. Oh, shit.
Yeah, we did this morning. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it's pretty sick. The funny thing is that, you know, I didn't even know that you could really do this. And a lot of people who go in there had no idea that you could do it either.
Me too. And I joined a programming chat, and it like blew my mind, the information I found out, you know.
In this Discord server, or was it a different one?
It was a different server.
Oh, nice. Where'd you find it?
This on free. I just did a Google search of free Discord groups or something like that. Join Discord servers.
Nice.
Are you a programmer?
Me? No. Well, I mean, you know, I just kind of do like, you know, basic beginner stuff, but you know.
Yeah, so am I. I don't do a lot.
Yeah.
I'm good at putting things together. That's about it.
I'm good at copy paste. And I'm good at finding where to put it in my theme, you know? Like I just put a ticker, but the issue is I'm having a pop-up in all the pages of the ticker and this chart that I'm using from this API. It's really getting on my butt, man.
All right, so we got the Facebook, which you can also put age restrictions apparently for people to enter this contest. I don't know how it knows, but I guess it asks for their age. So here you can see this is all the different ways you can ask people to enter. And if you just click on these things, it'll show you. Like you can make people comment on a blog post before they can get a ticket, which is pretty cool. I don't know what this bonus is. Something else. Looks like you can create a custom sort of event. I don't know how that works. You can make people download an app. What we'll do, I don't know how many people. I really want to do a Snapchat one. Follow me on Snapchat, just because I thought that would be funny. But I don't know how many people in this community have a Snapchat. Do any of you guys have a Snapchat?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yeah.
I have one, but it's like buried. I don't know where it is.
I do too.
I have to use it because of my supplier in China.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
That's interesting. How does that work?
Well, just like Skype. I use Skype and I use Snapchat with them.
Huh.
And that's all. They don't speak English, so I have to communicate through Snapchat with them.
Wow.
I've had my relationship already about 1.5 years now with them. So,
you know, it'd be cool. You can see submit a video is one, and you can make it worth like 5 entries. So if they like submitted a video like on how they found the channel or, you know, something like that, that'd be pretty cool. Submit a video on how this channel has helped you. Worth 5 tickets. I'd be interested to see how many people actually did that. That's the funny thing is you can just add so many different things here. So we'll just add that one. Let's do another one. We'll do YouTube. We'll say subscribe to channel. We'll do bonus entry for my subscribers plus 1 ticket. Let's try. Whoops. Can't scroll down. Comment on a YouTube video. No, we'll do Twitter. We'll try Twitter entry. Oh, I don't know what that means. Hold on. We got to use Twitter. Tweet. I'm entered into the Chase Reiner SEO giveaway. And then we could put a link, but we'll just do SEO. And then should we do anything else? We can ask them a question, answer a question, do Snapchat, Instagram. What about Instagram entry?
Do you have to do more than one thing to?
Well, you can
either
say
or.
you can say like this is mandatory, like they have to tweet in order to enter.
I see.
Or you can just say every extra one of these is like an extra, ticket or 5 tickets, and you can say how many tickets you can get with this, which is pretty cool. So like if they follow me on Snapchat, I could say it's worth 2 because most people probably don't have Snapchats. I love this though. I think it's so funny. Because last time I did it, I got so many entries. Indiegogo, Kickstarter, LinkedIn, Submit Media, Pinterest, Promote, Secret Code. What is that? Oh, you have to have like the extra premium for a secret code. I don't know what that means. Oh, I guess you give them a secret code and they have to enter it. Subscribe to a newsletter. I want one to do like the subscribe to the push notifications. That would be sick. Visit a page, file upload. I'll just do like Instagram or something. No. I think that's good for now. I guess we'll just do one other one, which is like.
Yeah, do Instagram because I'm trying to build my Instagram.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do because it doesn't let. Oh wait, Instagram follow actions are no longer available because of their policy changes. Yeah. Pretty lame. Oh, we didn't do the Facebook page like. So visit us on Facebook, Facebook entry, check in. Oh, look at this. Facebook likes are no longer available due to the Facebook changes. That's crazy. I don't know what Facebook entry means. It just says Facebook entry, and then it says enter using Facebook. This one says you can like a page. Well, let's see.
Go for it. Hey, Chase, what if you can't change your existing Facebook page, your name? Because somebody
they won't. I mean, you have to ask for it to get it approved, but if they don't let you, then I don't know. I think you're pretty screwed, right?
Yeah, I know, because I got over 2,000 likes. I don't want to lose those.
Well, actually, you could create a new page and try to, what is it called? Combine them. So there's like there's an option, and oh my God, it just got really dark in here. 1 second. Ah! My light is like an automatic light, and if I don't move, it just turns off.
Yeah, but then I still got a problem. The page itself, somebody's already using that name. That's the problem. Okay, never mind. I'll figure that.
No, sorry. Yeah, so you could just do like a small variation on that, though, right?
And it will still work for local SEO?
Oh, because of your name NAP, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the small problem. I don't know if having like a slight variation change in the name of the business is really gonna do that big of a give you that big of a problem, but yeah, I mean that is the one thing where it's like kind of a bummer.
Yeah, because I've had my Facebook page up for 3 years, and the name's different than what it is on the, and they can't find it through the Moz. Can't find it.
Oh, because of the name's different?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what you would do for that. I mean, I think, and wait, but can't you create a new page with the name on it and then merge that over?
I haven't tried. I could try.
Yeah, I think you can, because, I mean, alternatively, what you can also do is, this is what I did, is you can go to Google and type in Facebook personal to business, and you can actually take everybody from your personal page and transfer them over as likes to your business page. And then you can combine them too, and you get probably a lot more likes too.
That'll be cool.
The only problem is that if you're targeting people who like your channel as your like Facebook ads, it would be a lot of your friends.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't think targeting Facebook likers anyways is really smart for targeting on Facebook. Wait a second. Why isn't this working?
We usually put video content on our Facebook ads, like visit our store type content.
I actually have my store on Facebook. So I use Shopify. So my store, every one of my products are on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I also have the profile page as a video.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. That's relatively new too.
Are you getting a lot of sales from your business page?
No, not from Facebook. I had one just last week, but that was it.
Was it from an ad?
No, it was just organic.
Oh, nice. That's
I
don't hear
don't
that
do a
every
lot
day.
of ads, not yet anyway.
Really?
Well, I'm trying to get away from Amazon.
Oh, you were doing Amazon before. Oh yeah, because you were doing the of course.
Amazon just started killing me because they started going up about 35 to 40% of my money. They were taking my profit, about 30 to 40% of it.
Jeez.
Well, by the time you pay for FBA, the shipping, and then the storage fees, and then PPC, I wasn't making any money on Amazon anymore.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
Yeah, it was great I mean, I did over 300,000 on Amazon about a year ago, a little over a year ago. But the problem was now you just got to pay to get on the first page.
Right.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's expensive because I mean I'm doing AdWords and it ain't cheap, man. And it goes up every day.
Well, yeah, I mean that's because it's becoming more and more utilized. People are starting to understand that you can get actually a pretty high ROI off of it.
You're not presenting anymore, by the way.
Oh god, darn it. I was thinking it'd be funny to actually to do the video for the giveaway while we're doing this. So like I could show you guys how I set it up and everything. I think we could do that. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how bored you guys are. I'm just doing random stuff.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm trying to figure out how to change this end date because right now it says 30 days. And I don't see. Oh, here we go. So we'll just make it till, I guess, 28th. It's a good time. So now it's pretty much, now it's done. All we have to do is just grab the link. And then if we open it, what is this? Start must be before end. It is, isn't it? When is the start date? October 22nd.
Oh, that's on the
Oh,
9th.
that's September.
Yeah.
What is going on? Why is it selecting September when I click October? What?
Choose the 28 down.
Oh,
Or,
that's what's
yeah.
going on. Right. I wasn't seeing what was going on there. Okay, cool. So now we just take that link, and there it is. 6 days left, total entries, 5 ways to enter, log in with this, submit a video, tweet on Twitter, that kind of thing. So then we can just post this in here. So if you guys want to try it out. Oh, I can't post it in there. Hold on. Let me see.
You're not presenting anymore, by the way.
Why is this my life?
I wonder if you go to another window, it stops presenting.
Really?
I don't know.
That's a good observation.
Or just Google Hangouts isn't very robust.
That too.
It's never been very good.
Neither has Google Plus. I still have
Yeah,
to sign
both.
into 3 accounts before I can get into my actual account.
Yeah, both of those, Google Plus and Hangouts, have been terrible. Are you doing the Hangout because of it gives you better ranking?
No, I'm doing it so you guys can join and talk to me.
Okay.
I think it gives you better ranking too.
Yeah, because you can save it as a keyword, and just like what you're doing now, it's really good for that.
I really can't post this. What we could do though is we could just join Discord next time and then just be talking through here, and then it would still be pretty much the same thing, except you guys wouldn't have video is the only problem. And you'd only be able to watch through the Hangout, which has a delay. So in both cases, we kind of lose. I don't know why it won't let me post a link here. Lets me post every other link.
That's weird.
That's super lame. Oh well. So yeah, so after I do that, what I do for these giveaways is I'll just open up OBS, which I can show you guys. Like this.
You're not presenting anymore.
That's weird because
Yes,
you didn't do anything.
Huh?
You didn't do anything different. You're just, and it just stopped presenting.
All right. Well, not really sure. It might just be the internet. I could do an internet speed test, but maybe one of you guys wants to share something that you're doing. Anyone wish to share?
I'm making a new site on top of
Okay, well, I can try continuing the local SEO stuff I was doing before I created the giveaway.
Hey, are you still doing audits?
Yes. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I just don't do a lot of them anymore.
Okay, because I'm gonna pay for one here in about in a couple weeks.
Sweet.
What do you mean audits?
So I do these audits on people's sites or roadmaps, and I have a playlist, right? Like I basically do them live.
Okay.
Yeah, I see your post, web lady. If you join can you not join the Hangout? I don't want to switch my screens because I feel like if I do, it'll ruin it. Oh, you know what I can do? I can share. Hold on. I think this might fix it. I can share just the screen I'm on. So if I go stop, share, and then I do application window, just the Google, that should fix it.
Well, we're seeing your Google.
I know. I'll show you though. So if I go here.
Does this girl need to come on the line? Is that what she's trying to do, Chris?
Yeah. I think she wants to get in here. Chase, in YouTube video, you created a video after creating it. How did you get it indexed? How did I get it indexed? I'm referring to the landing page whereby I used Fiverr. I'm not sure what we're talking about here. If you enter the Hangout, you can ask me.
I think she was asking, she asked a question earlier, like after creating your landing page, how do you let Google know how to that you indexed it?
After I make a landing page?
Yeah, or any page, I guess.
You would just go through Search Console. You just go here and then go to the fetches Google and then crawl it.
Oh, okay. And that lets Google know.
Yeah, so then, I mean, it's not guaranteed that they're going to index. You can see it says indexing requested. But generally, if you do that, Google will index your stuff pretty fast. So we can actually take this now, go to Authority Nuke, type in /landing page creation there, and then go back to the beginning and type site : and you can see it's already indexed.
Your
Oh,
screen's
okay.
not showing.
Wait, hey Jason, can you turn up your mic a little bit? I can barely hear you.
Okay. Can you hear me better?
I think something happened because you were really loud before, but now it's like you're almost like in like a cave or something.
I put a headset on. Is it any better?
Oh,
Yeah, you just have to put the microphone close by.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was far away.
can you guys hear him all right? Because he sounds a lot quieter than everybody else.
He does sound a lot quieter, yeah. But if you put the mic closer to your,
Okay, I am. I got the mic in my face.
That's a little bit better.
that's a little bit better, yeah.
Just
It's
can
the
you just
mic.
put it? Just put the mic in your mouth.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm actually doing that.
Get some tape and tape it onto.
Can you guys see the
I've got a
screen
lot.
now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Facebook.
Okay, cool. What were you saying though, Jason?
I can't remember, so let's just go on.
Okay. Well, yeah, the whole idea behind getting that landing page indexed quickly is so that you can get it there for like you want to have all of these pages to have some sort of time on your site, especially when the site's brand new, because it's going to help you hopefully rank those pages when you actually re-optimize them. So like, say you were to wait, I don't know, 10 days and then index all of the pages versus like getting all the pages indexed and then re-optimizing them 10 days later. I think, in my opinion, you're going to get more mileage out of doing it the second way, especially if it's a brand new site. So we're going to take that phone number, which this is just a call tracking number that we got from a site called Call Tracking Metrics. Get started.
Now, it's told Google wants a local number.
Yeah, so that is a local number. I use a call tracking account, which can give me any area code I want. And that way we don't get hit by the possum penalty, since we're going to be, or the possum algorithm that Google created for local, so that we, because we're in the same building, except we use a different name and, address and whatnot. Because if they're too similar, you're going to get one filtered out by the other. And if you guys haven't seen the possum update, I have a video. If you just Google or YouTube possum update, you'll be able to find it. Oh, we lost a lot of people. That's so weird. There was like 20 people watching before. Now there's like 6. They must have got bored. Oh, you know what I forgot to do too, actually? I didn't even share this on any of the communities. So if you guys want to share it, let's just see if we can get some more people in here. I also don't expect a lot of people to be on during a Sunday anyways, so.
I think peak times are like Friday night or or not Friday night, but like yeah, during the night usually.
Yeah, the best time I get on my analytics is like Wednesdays at 12. There's like so many people watching the videos at that time. Like it's like their lunch break at 12.
Oh, in the afternoon, 12 in the afternoon.
Yeah. And then there's also a lot of people.
The problem is you have different time zones.
Yeah. I mean, but if you guys are in the SEO market and you want to see, like, this is actually helpful information to anybody that's in the SEO niche. If we go to my analytics, like, I would love to be able to observe like Josh Bashinsky's or Alex Becker's analytics on their YouTube channel, because it gives you a lot of really valuable information that you can use for your own stuff, since we have similar target markets. But if you go customize or Creator Studio, analytics, and then we go to, what is it? I think we can go to different things like live streaming and whatnot, but if we go to, like, for instance, demographics is super important. So main audience is 25 to 44, mainly male. Playback locations, mainly in the YouTube watch page. And then some, you can see 420 views in the last 28 days from like websites, which is probably like my website and whatnot. If you go to traffic sources, you can see 90,000 minutes of watch time in the last 28 days from suggested videos. So that's even more than YouTube search. So Google's changing its algorithm a bunch to make it like a lot easier to get views if you have more of like clickbaity type of videos that people are going to see in the suggested videos. Devices, mainly computers, then mobile phones. But we were looking for, where was it? We were looking for the time of day.
I bet you if you put Jake Paul SEO tactics, it would probably pop right up.
Oh, I know. Oh, you're saying like make a video about it or what?
Yeah, in the title, you know.
Yeah, I should just do that just for clickbait. Just like put all of the famous like people on YouTube. That's really smart. Just like take their name and just call like Jake Paul SEO tactics or Alex Becker SEO tactics, and then put their face next to it. I would get so many views off that stuff. I'm gonna do that. That is so smart.
Do you think
The
they'll
thing
be
is
upset
like
with you?
people are doing way worse than that kind of stuff. YouTube clickbait. I mean, I would just like to do it as a test to see. Titles.
There's rice gum. You can do rice gum.
But I mean, how would you do that though? Like, how would you? I guess you would just observe their websites and whatnot, and like, I guess you know what I could do is I could just do like an audit of your websites. Just be like, this is what he's doing here. This is where his title tags.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a good idea.
But the other thing would be, so the good thing about that too is like if they found it, that would probably be kind of good because they would like be, you know, might even hit me up because like they might need the help. But the other problem is like, what if they like saw that and then that was basically me exposing their weaknesses on their sites and stuff? I'd probably want to do this from like an anonymous channel. Call it like SEO, anonymous SEO guy or something, and then get like a voice changer and do it.
But you'd be missing out on all those views.
I
those
would
shares.
be, but then I could just get everybody on an email list and then be like, "Hey, have you guys heard of Chase Reiner by any chance?" Oh, Shreyas, he says when I said join the conversation in the Facebook group, he says no, it's boring.
Oh, that's sad.
I guess we'll all just cry ourselves to sleep tonight.
Yeah.
Okay. I keep jumping around. What were we doing? We were sharing it, but then we were going back to, oh yeah, we're creating all of our different accounts. And I don't know what happened. I think we canceled out of the Facebook one, so we're going to have to do that again. God taught racism. I can't even look at my Facebook feed. It's so ridiculous.
What?
All right. Let's just ignore that and go to. There it is.
That's Facebook for you, though.
Oh, I think
Everybody's
somebody
Facebook.
actually created us a. I put it in the Discord that I needed a. What is it? A logo for Authority Nuke. I'll show you guys it right now. Right now, it's just a freaking. It's just a picture of his screen. I don't know why he sent that. Okay, well, we can't use that right now because he just sent me a picture of his screen. So let's go to add picture. We'll just put whatever here. We'll just put like, just go to, so Pixabay has free images. We can just use that. We'll just do Authority or something. And we'll just do like something random. Doesn't really matter. I'll just do this guy.
Yeah.
All right, I'm not a robot. Download. And let's go back up here. Upload photo.
Oh, man.
If anybody goes to this Facebook page off of the website and they're actually there for SEO, they're gonna be really confused. Let's just do like a picture of some buffaloes. Dude, that's so funny. I was gonna say buffaloes out of just being random, and there they were.
What is this? I mean, I know it's for your group, your meetup group, but I mean, what's the whole purpose of what type of content are you putting on there, or is it to prove a point, or
Wait, what are we talking about?
the whole SEO nuke thing?
Oh, no, that's oh
As a
shoot.
company?
No, that's the local SEO course I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just doing like the manual stuff right now, so I can just show everybody quickly in the SEO course what I'm doing. This is just like me doing it, so we can get it done ahead of time. Ah, no. So yeah, I mean, what we're doing in the local SEO course is I'm going from like buying your domain, which is what we did with the authority nuke, getting out of the sandbox, getting all your content created, like how to edit the videos, like how to transcribe everything, like literally step by step how to go from not having anything to ranking #1. And I'm trying to do it within like a month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You should do that with my leather bag business.
Yeah, how to rank an e-commerce site. I mean, but the thing is like,
Right.
huh?
I do commerce.
The thing is, though, is like the reason why I'm doing this stuff is because at the end of the course, not only do I have a course, but now I also have like this ranking, right? Like an actual site, and I could like sell it or do whatever I wanted with it.
Oh, I'm hearing feedback.
Yeah, something weird's happening again.
Commerce.
Hello, I'm trying to be on video. How do I turn the camera off?
Oh my God, she got in.
You did it.
You gotta press the little camera icon on the top.
It's on your desktop.
On my phone.
Oh, you're on a phone.
Yes.
Somewhere on the screen in the Google Hangout, there's a little microphone and a camera
Okay.
and a volume and a bandwidth usage settings and where you can hang up.
I see the microphone, then I see the red icon to talk to you for a folder or something on the right.
There should be a little camera there. I don't know. I've never used this on a phone. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. I see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're going to have bandwidth issues.
Okay.
Google Hangout takes a ton of bandwidth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm pretty tech savvy. I'll keep on trying to figure it out before. For some reason, I'm not seeing the camera that you all are talking about, but it must be here. So are you suggesting that probably better for me?
Oh, you got it. I don't see your picture anymore.
Right. I know, because I'm making sure that my camera's not on my face right now.
No, but I'm saying it's not showing the camera. It's just showing the picture of your icon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I mean of your logo or whatever, your profile picture.
It may not work for mobile.
You really mean as far as turning the camera off? Because that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, well, your camera's not on.
It's not? Oh, okay. Let me try this link again then and see what happens. All right, I'm coming back in. Couldn't join call. Okay.
No, you're already on the call.
Oh, okay. All right. So now, oh, okay. I think it worked.
Yeah, it works. Yeah,
Okay.
you're good.
All right. A little different setup, because I'm saying, wait a minute. Sometimes you're not ready to be visible. Shoot. Okay. All right. Okay. So this works. Now, question, because you've been talking a lot about pushing. Will I be notified automatically when you all are on this call again?
So this is why I try to tell everybody the subscribe button on YouTube doesn't really do anything anymore. So if you press subscribe and then press the little bell icon next to it, then it'll send a push notification.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been getting push notifications on your YouTube channel, but what I'm saying with regards to this Discord, joining in the chat, Hangout.
Oh, well, when we go live on the channel too, it'll do the same thing, like with the push notification. But on Discord, I don't know if it'll send. So when I go live, I do at everyone. I do at everyone. And if you have notifications from me enabled and you have Discord enabled, it should send a push notification on your computer as well.
Oh, okay. All right. Or on my phone. Okay. Because a lot of times I'm joining via my phone. Okay, got it.
Yeah, but
okay.
you can get it. You can get the app on your phone too. Like I have it on my phone.
Yeah, I have it on there. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, using my phone. Okay.
Yeah. What was I doing with my mind?
Well, on the screen you're showing. Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I was creating the Twitter. Sorry. Oops. So you made it.
Yep, I kept on trying. I'm one that never gives up.
That's good. That's what it takes in this industry.
That's right.
So I thought you had some questions that you were asking earlier. I don't think I was able to answer
I
them.
did have it, and someone answered it. My question was with regards to, when you did the quick video and you said that you had it transcribed by Fiverr. My question was, what did you do to get it indexed? And because I knew you had to do something. What's the purpose of doing that if you're not trying to get it indexed quickly by Google? But then, someone responded and, explained that you did go to the Google Analytics, to the console, and got it set up for indexing.
I'm so sorry. I accidentally pressed the Siri button and it just I couldn't hear anything for like 30 seconds.
What I said is that you asked me if I had a question. I said yes. And I said that someone answered my question. My question was, after you had created that funnel page,
Yes.
then how did you get it indexed? And my understanding is that you naturally went to Google console and had it indexed.
Yeah. I mean, alternatively, you can try to get it crawled a bunch by sharing it on search platforms, social media platforms.
Mm-hmm.
But the fastest way to do it is to try to get it indexed on Search Console. I mean, ideally, what you want to do is probably both, so you can actually go I'll show you. So if we go like this and go to
on the screen, on my screen, are you still trying to log into your Twitter Today account? Is that what's going on?
On your screen, it should be my website right now.
Oh, okay.
Is it not?
No, I'm seeing something about join Twitter.
Oh, you're probably still looking at the or the YouTube video. If you go on the actual.
Okay. Well, I need to turn that off then. Okay, well, okay, where are you? That way I can find you.
I'm just on my website right now.
Okay, I see does it say how to get SEO clients?
Yeah.
Okay, we're together.
So, ideally what you would do is you click on this and then you can actually go into the share bar right here, and I use Sumo Me for this, and then you can click on all these different social platforms and share it everywhere, like LinkedIn and Facebook and all these places, and then what you can do is press index, and the combination of all of those will usually probably get the site index pretty fast, or the page. That's assuming you're not in the sandbox and your site's not brand new.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I want to make sure we synced here. Now, is your screen still on? And I see free awesome. And now it's gone back to Fetches Google. Am I looking at you or the video?
I'm on Twitter right now.
Right. Okay. Now you're on Facebook?
No, right now I'm on Twitter.
Okay. Let me get out of Word. Turn that video off there.
I don't have another email for I don't have an email for this. I can't do this. Wait a second. I could probably do a phone number. Let's see if we can do the phone number. I need to get something to eat today. I don't know what I should eat. Does anybody have any suggestions? Oops.
like making your own food or like going out to go eat somewhere?
Well, I'm in my office right now.
Peanut butter and jelly.
I kind of moved away from that life, though, is the thing.
I know. That's what I had for lunch today, though.
Well, how was it?
Better than nothing.
That's true.
Tacos.
Tacos. How is this not a valid phone number? 805-870. There must be a 1 in front of it. I don't know what to do here. 805-870-8933. Okay, well, you know what? I'm just going to create a Twitter later because I don't want to go through it. Twitter's so annoying. Like, you have to have a valid phone number connected to every Twitter account in order to, like, keep it verified or keep it, like, going. Which is, like, if you want to have more than one Twitter account, like, say you have another business, like, are you going to have 3 phones that people can text? Because it can't be like a business line. I think it has to be like a text verification. Whatever. We got the Facebook page up and the Google My Business. So what we can do is we can go in here for the automatic social signals, and we can connect these 2 accounts. So if we go to, let's say, page, and let's go to that one that we just created. There it is, and connect. And then we go to accounts and go to, nope. We don't have Twitter. Google Plus page. Then we go in here, and then we connect it to the authority nuke. Hopefully it's in here. Where is it? Wait for it. Why isn't it in here? I swear to God. Like, I say this all the time, but I spend more time trying to figure out where things are than actually doing, like, SEO. It's not even in here. See, that's what's crazy to me. It's like if we go to Google My Business. Here. Whoa. It's funny how Google's ads aren't even, like, they're not even using capitalization in their domain name. Manage. Authority. There it is. And then if I manage the location, I go to the Google Plus page. Because if you guys don't know, the Google My Business has its own separate Google Plus page for some reason. Oh, you know what they did, I think? They made it so that the Google Plus page is no longer a thing on here, and the only way to create posts is through this weird Create Post tab, which is not.
I started using that.
Yeah, I heard it works really well. I saw some people using it.
I used it last night with one of my promotions.
See, that's cool, but the problem is now we can't use automatic scheduling through Buffer.
Oh, directly to the post. I see.
Yeah. So the only thing we can do right now is Facebook, which I guess is better than nothing. And the best way to do this is just to take reviews and just, like, plug them in here with links back to the location, because it's, like, super easy. But we don't have that going for us right now, so I guess we could just, I mean, it doesn't really matter what you're posting. Ideally, you could just post memes and then links back to the website. So we could do, like, authoritynuke.com. Meme of the day, like that, boom. And then we could just upload a picture and then schedule all these out. So then for that, what we would do is we'd go to our meme folder. If you guys don't have a meme folder, I don't know what you're doing with your lives. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's wrong account. SEO memes. And actually, I just had somebody compile these all for me. Okay, so then we could just take this, download, and go like this. Boom. Whoops. And ideally, you'd have somebody doing this for you, so you don't have to, like, manually do this. And then you could just add this to queue. and then, whoops. Add to queue. And then if you want to see what that would look like when it actually gets posted, you could just go here and then just post it now, share. And then we just go to that Facebook page. Can I get to it from here? No. Facebook.com/ I'll just go this way because I don't know what it is. There. Oops, wrong one. Here, see more. See more, please. There it is. And there it is. So you're continually like sharing stuff, showing that you're active on Facebook, and then just does good stuff for you. And it's really easy and streamlined. And ideally, you'd have this going on all your different social platforms at once you get all of them set up. So yeah, actually in the course right now, we're at the phase of Google My Business. I need to take a bunch of pictures, which I haven't done yet, and then optimize those pictures. And then to give you guys an update, so what I'm actually doing is because I don't want to pay $5,000 for a WordPress design, and I've been waiting for so long, we are temporarily transferring this Chase Reiner site to Squarespace, just so I can get a better design until we make, I don't know, enough to afford like somebody to really custom code like a nice Genesis theme, which isn't really a problem because we don't really need too many things for the Chase Reiner site anyways, since it's all just blog posts. The only thing that I am a little annoyed about is that we're not going to have the content upgrades like this, which they look like shit anyways, so it doesn't really matter.
What is a content upgrade? Is that just the opt-in?
Yeah, so on any of your posts, you should have three things. You should have 3 different call to actions, and one of them is your free call to action. So for instance, like say you're giving away, top 10 handbags for 2017 or whatever. It has like 300 monthly searches, and say for the first month you get 50 hits because you're on position 7. It has like a 10% or 5% click-through rate, and that's what the math equals. I don't know. So the first thing that you're giving away is the free offer. Check out my exclusive video course, or sorry. The first thing that you give away is usually your paid thing. So that's like, the first thing that people read. By the way, if you want to buy one of these bags, this is the one I recommend. Boom. The next thing that you usually give away is your free offer, which is like if they don't want to buy something, then they can get something for free. So it gives them 2 options. And then the free option is, whatever your upgrade is, download the free checklist or get the free sample or whatever. And that's how you can control these people into different assets. Like for instance, the more places that you control people in terms of your traffic and like your following, like if you can get like a Facebook group, YouTube subscribers, email subscribers, and you can see as what I'm doing, like getting the push notifications going, getting a Discord channel going, the more places you are, the more reach you're going to have and the more remarketing you're going to have. And it just makes you look way more legit. So that being said, it's really important to do content upgrades so you can promote all these different things. And that's why right here you can see I give away a Facebook group, but at the same time I get their email. And then on the autoresponder, I send them my YouTube subscribe link. And then in the Facebook group, I promote the Discord when they join. So not only that, but then you can do remarketing and stuff like that as well. But that's a different thing. So the third call to action is usually, just something easy, like for instance, another something free, like, this is get instant access to the Facebook group, but the third one you could put longer, further down in here, like, download this checklist or whatever. But ideally, you want to have 3 different places that people can opt in, so they have 3 different options. So if they say no to the first 2, they, will be more likely to say yes to the third one.
Chase, and are you doing this at different time intervals?
Well, I mean, not really necessarily different time intervals. It just has to do with what kind of content I'm producing. So like, for instance, this content, I promote like the Facebook group, whereas in the content on the video like this one, I'm promoting like directly the Discord channel, or I'll promote like the text to sign up, where I'll say like, hey, if you text the word SEO to 66866, you'll get opted into the Facebook group. which is a different type of opt-in. And it just really depends, because some people are more likely to opt into certain channels from certain places than others. And you find all this knowledge out just by testing and figuring out your audience and whatnot.
Right.
Yeah, but either way, I should probably go get some food. Do you guys have any other questions or anything you want to talk about?
Yeah, Chase, where'd you say you had your videos, the training videos? Is that all on Facebook or is that a separate site?
Yeah, so I have all of my courses on my website right now. If you just go to Chase Reiner, these are all the courses right here.
See
But
that when I never saw the email.
the email?
Hold on. Well, all I got was the Facebook group to join.
Oh, yeah, so the Facebook group's free. These are paid, that's why.
Right, because I paid for the course. I just was curious where.
Oh, you didn't get the auto respond?
No.
That's weird.
I was only looking at the Facebook group stuff because it was a private Facebook group.
Oh yeah, so that's the thing, is most people don't know this, but if you go to the pin tab, it's really weird. I mean, I feel like it should be pretty visible. So if you go to the pin tab, for instance, like the SEO Triforcing or something, on every single of the private courses groups, right here at the top is just like all the videos.
All right, hold on a minute. Where's it at? I can't see it. Oh, yes, I do see those. Oh no, I don't see them. Not like that.
Really?
Yeah, it's different.
What course are you in?
The SEO Triforce, yeah, that's the one.
You don't see this?
Well, I think I did, but I didn't see it in that sequence. You must have been creating it when I was in there.
No, this has been up here for like a couple months.
Oh, I actually don't see that too.
I mean, you don't see it either?
Yeah.
Really?
There's part 1 and part 2, but there's no other parts.
Does it say see more on there?
Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, now I see it. Yeah. Never mind.
All right, so we're good. Hopefully.
Do you see Jason?
I'm going to check right now. I have to get to the page.
I think the reason I didn't see it was that the links kind of matched up with the see more.
I'm gonna put an arrow there. I'm just gonna edit it and put like an arrow.
Yes, I see it. Yes.
I just put an arrow after part 2, and then right there it says see more now. I wonder if that's more visible.
Yeah. That's probably why I didn't see it.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, that's right.
So I might do more of these outreach or these hangouts later. I just don't really know what people like out of these videos. Like, some people like the live videos, some people like the pre-edited videos where I'm just like, you know, doing like the top 10 tips on things. Those do the best, but they also feel like the least personal, which is why I don't really like doing them, even though they get the most views. It's just like, the thing is, like we've been talking about, there's just so many tutorials I could do on things and whatnot. It's just like everybody is doing different things, so it's just so like it's just annoying, because like I wish I could create more content, but it's like this in between courses, in between also managing clients, is like I am working 24/7.
I believe it, man. I have one client and I'm busy. I can't imagine.
Chase, you were asking for suggestions, and I know, like you said, you get many. Everybody's on a different plane. I would be interested in getting more information with regards to local SEO for clients, because I'm starting to market this area, and you know, I know the initial things to do, but any other little tidbits or tips you could give us along those lines would be helpful to me.
Have you checked out the local SEO playlist I made?
The what? I'm sorry?
The local SEO playlist on YouTube?
No, I don't think so. No.
Yeah, so if you look up local SEO playlist on YouTube, the first playlist, there's like somewhere around 8 hours of video that I've done.
Okay.
going over local. Yeah, and in that playlist, I actually cover ranking the iPhone repair site, and then of course the course I'm making right now is like already at 6 hours, and it's like way more step by step if you wanted to do like the paid option. But I always try to offer a free option too for people who like don't want to necessarily invest in courses yet.
Okay, so look up the local SEO on your channel.
Yeah, so no, if you just type in local SEO playlist, it'll just be like the first one on YouTube.
Oh, okay, playlist. Okay.
Hey, Chase, just a couple of questions. Jason again.
Yeah.
Number one, a local SEO from Google My Business. Obviously, I don't have a physical store, and Google requires to have a physical store. And Moz said that they don't want to use me, or don't suggest that I use their services to do local business with them.
Right, because you don't have an NAP, and the whole point of their service is to aggregate your NAP across the different local.
I think you can get go to the postal service and get a mailbox that has a street address.
Well, I did, and that's exactly what I do. So if you do Jason Gerald, you'll see me in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm on the first page with that. But I was told that they were telling me that they will eventually, find out and shut you down.
Yeah, you don't want to use a PO box. I mean, the way that I do it, and I rank a bunch of sites with service areas, is you use your home address, and then you just use citations on platforms that people wouldn't go go to your home address from. And then on the main local indexing platforms, you would take the home address and hide it. So like you're not going to get the citation from Facebook or Yelp because you're not going to want to show that. But at least you have an address that's showing as a service area, targeting your area, but not showing your actual address. And it is going to be a little bit harder to rank it. But if you go the review route and you use like the review generation techniques I use, you're probably going to rank just off the reviews alone and the citations from the other platforms, as well as whatever else like the on-page signals.
Okay, because that's what I'm doing right now. I've already got 3 reviews on the Google My Business. So
yeah, and then on the pictures, you still want to show like a business location, but you could just take pictures of the street, take pictures of inside. I remember when I was doing iPhone for another city that I was able to rank #1 for, I was taking pictures of inside the garage I was living in, and I would just take like a picture of a plant, and I'd be like, plant inside of office, and like that would be the URL or the file URL and stuff.
So that's important.
Yeah, because Google will actually like know if there's location pictures showing. I don't know if they're able to match that through just their picture recognition software or the file URLs, because you always want to make sure you name the files correctly. But yeah, I would post like pictures of the outside of the driveway and stuff, and then it would show that like in image searches, like the different things about the business.
What if I go to my I use the UPS store, and that's where my PO box is. I go take a picture of their store.
You could, but then you're not actually showing a real picture of like. I mean, you could do that. I would try to make it seem as legit as possible, like not showing your actual home address and not actually taking pictures of your house so people know what your house looks like. But like maybe taking a picture of your door and calling it like front entrance to office or something. Like that's what I was doing. I wasn't taking actual pictures of my house.
Well, I could take a picture of the front entrance of the door of the post office. Yeah,
but the thing is you're not actually like that's the only thing I see there is if like the post office somehow gets recognized from image search and it's on your local business, but that's a post office. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear you. Because right now I've changed the address to the post office and it shows the address.
Right. Yeah. I mean, you can do that, but your chances of getting that thing removed within the next year is very high.
So you still suggest I use my own address? So can you show me how you do that, or else unless you need to go? But
yeah, I mean, I show in the local course, but I can show it here too.
If you need to go, that's fine.
I mean, it's really easy. So when you go into your Google My Business and you edit your location, so you edit your address, it'll have a checkbox that says, do you serve customers at your location? And you just uncheck that. And now you're a service area and it doesn't show your address.
Really? Okay. I'll have to check that again.
Yeah.
Because I changed the address to the post office address and it accepted it.
Right. But what I'm saying is like, there's, you know, tons of people who have post office addresses, but then there's also tons of people who have gotten their Google My Business banned because of that. And then all of your reviews and your citations and everything that you've built under that is now gone.
Yeah, and that's what I want to prevent from happening.
Yeah.
So would using a virtual office fix that, or is that too costly of a thing to do?
I mean, if you guys really want to get an, like, oh, you mean as like an actual having the NAP?
Yeah.
Well, virtual. So the problem is that if somebody goes into the office, or if they, you know, somehow find out that that's not a real location, it's not set as a service area, you can get that place removed. So no matter what, it's a liability. So the best way to do it is to get a service area if it's not real, like if it's not an actual business location. And what you would do is you would not use like a virtual, you wouldn't use something that you don't have control over. So like, for instance, what I used to do when I was starting my local site, where I was trying to get rankings all across the world locally, and I didn't, of course, have offices in all those different locations, is I would just put a Craigslist ad out and say, hey, look, I'm looking for somebody to work for me in this area. And I would then say, hey, it's going to take a week to get you leads. And then I would drive AdWords leads to them. And then I would say, in order for us to get you leads, though, we need to verify your address on Google, your home address, but it won't show. And then, so people would give me their home address all the time, and then I would just verify it as a service area. But if they ever left and stopped working, I'd still have that area. And I still have all these areas on my Google My Businesses, and they're still getting leads, but I actually had to close a lot of them because the reason why I didn't keep that going is because I was managing too many people, and all I want to do is SEO. But yeah, I mean, as long as you control the location, it's not a PO box, and it's not a place that's going to then like open another location under that, and it's not a physical location, you'll probably be fine.
Okay.
All right. Could you do me one favor? I'm looking at the site now. Where did you say you had to put that check mark?
Are you on the site or the Google My Business?
Google My Business.
So if you go to Google My Business and then edit the location.
Okay.
And then once you go to the location, it should have a checkbox that says I serve customers at this address.
I deliver goods and services to my customer at their location. No.
Yeah. No, you do. That's how you get to be a service area.
So you say yes?
You say yes to the deliver the goods, but you say no to the serving them at your location.
I also service customers at my business address.
No.
So you take that off. Okay. So you say yes and no there. Okay.
Yep.
And then I need to change the address back to my address.
I definitely would. You're probably gonna have to re-verify it though, just to let you know.
As long as I do it right, I don't want to get shut down. That's the thing.
Ah,
Yeah, I mean, you can chance it, but the thing is like all of the work that you're gonna put into it and all the reviews you generate it, you're gonna have to redo that, which is, you really don't want to do that.
Okay.
Also, like, there's really no problem with having a service area as your home address. I mean, like I said, I'm ranking like 2 sites right now, #1 with service areas as home addresses. And I'm not even living at those places anymore. But if I were to switch those to business addresses, like actual on the map, then I would be liable. What the service areas you can pretty much have as, you know, anywhere. And it, you know, I just put by appointment only on my website. Woo. All right.
Hey, Chase.
Any more questions?
Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
I have a question there. I'm just wondering, have you done any sites SEO in the last 6 months for a fresh website, for a brand new one? And how's it gone in ranking terms?
So the Chase Reiner site that I have, I bought 6 months ago. And I'll show you guys the traffic on it right now. Hold on, let me show you.
I did look at that. I thought that was like October last year that you bought. Chase Rayner.
Okay, yeah, it might have been actually a little bit longer, but I think
just think in the last 6 months or so, it's become more difficult to rank a brand new website. It seems that the sandbox has increased somewhat.
Okay, I guess another example would be this web design site that we started like 3 months ago. Let's see.
Chase, we're just looking at your face right now.
Oh no, I'm trying to share it. There we go. All right. So this web design site that we're also trying to rank on Squarespace, I think it's ranking on the first page. Is it? It was, and then I changed the title. I guess maybe that knocked it down. There it is. And then it's ranking in the maps. But the Chase Rayner site, I bought the domain, I think it was like in October, but then I didn't set up the site till a little bit later, I think. I don't remember. Either way, that one's doing really well. I don't really work with too many. Also the SEO Santa Barbara site, but that one's not on organic yet. I mean, yeah, I don't think in the last 6 months I've started really any new sites, but I don't think. Are you saying that you're still in the sandbox for a site that you just created?
Yeah, well, it's 2 months old now, but I'm SEOing like mad. Everything working well. The page speed's all good, and it's still on like page 30 of Google.
Well, that's not
for
sandbox.
A lot of the keywords. But however, I can rank #1 in Google for the same keyword, in YouTube for the same keyword, but it doesn't show in Google search.
Right, but sandbox would mean that the site's not showing at all. So you're just not able to rank the site, is what you're saying?
Yeah, it just doesn't rank. It's just not fluctuating at all in the ranks within search. It's like it's been put into a hold positions.
Well, I mean, it might be that, you know, there
really
could be a lot of things.
I've never experienced it before.
Right. I don't know what you're trying to rank for, though. I mean, it could be like, you know, you could be trying to rank for cats right now, which would be the reason why you're staying in position 30, right?
They are competitive keywords, I must say.
Yeah, I mean, I was doing SEO for somebody who ran an insurance site, and it was the same thing for me, but it's because it's insurance, right?
Yeah. Yeah, well, this is for SEO, but it's still for the long tail keywords that I'm going for. I'd expect to see some results by now, but
I mean, it also really depends on user intent. It depends on your authority. It depends.
Yeah, user metrics are showing really good results. Like the bounce rate is only like 25.
Right, but user intent is different than user experience. User intent, I mean, like you might be trying to rank for something that people are trying to find something else off of that result, like for instance, a YouTube video, and they're not looking for an informational post, or not looking for a product post, or they're not looking for whatever, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely become more difficult in the last year to 6 months.
Well, I don't know about that for SEO in general, though, because like locally I'm doing fine ranking sites. What I'm saying is that like there's different intents for every search now, especially with RankBrain, which is an AI. So of course, you know, in some places it's going to be very, very difficult, and if not next to impossible, especially if that market's extremely oversaturated and you don't have any authority or the intent is completely off.
Yeah, the authority, right. That's the one that's a difficult one, I think. The authority.
Yeah, I mean, there's three things you want to hit on.
If you're in an area like that, like me, I'm in DC, and it's like, you know, it's oversaturated with people and companies and this and that. You know, I mean, what, Facebook ads and AdWords and remarketing?
Oh, you're saying for like locally?
Yeah.
I mean, the thing, man, is it's all case by case, right? Like and it also depends on what niche you're in. Like, I couldn't tell you that remarketing would be, huh?
Jewelry.
Yeah, but I don't know anything about that niche, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So like I couldn't tell you based off zero knowledge of the jewelry niche that, you know, in DC that the best thing to do would be remarketing right off the top of my head. There's no way for me to know that.
Yeah, you have to delve into it.
Yeah, I mean, and that's the thing too, is like SEO is becoming way more around, like we were saying, user intent, user experience, and authority. And so if you know about that market, you already know part of the answer. It's just about testing it and seeing whether or not it works, right?
Yeah, exactly. Go get something to eat, Jace.
I know I'm probably getting a little short here. Was somebody else going to ask me a question though before I left? Thought I heard somebody.
Go get some to eat, man.
All right, I'm gonna go get some food. Thank you guys for joining. If you want to hang out with me, like I said, in the Discord channel, all you have to do is just join it. The link somewhere around here. I think it's in the Facebook group, and I'll just be in there hanging out. You can just go in there and start talking to me over voice chat if you want.
All right. See you later. Thanks.
All right. See you guys.
Alrighty, later.